Hello students, we discuss topic C++ and unit we discuss today function overloading in C++. A function overloading in C++ is very interesting unit or concept provided by C++ because in C++ function not allowed a multiple function having the same name, but a function overloading allowed a more than one function, that is multiple function have the same name, so that it is important or interesting concept. The function overload defines such as more than one function name having the same name but different task is called as a function overload. That means more than one function have same name but their tasks are different. Different means addition of 2 number, addition of 3 number, addition of multiplication of 2 number with different type, division of 3 number with different type. These are different tasks but their name are same. Overloading refers to use of same thing for different purposes. So it is called as function polymorphism or compile time polymorphism. Why it is called as compile time polymorphism? Because function overloading select appropriate function from multiple function having same name at compilation time or editable time, so that it is known as compile time polymorphism. Then after discussing this subunit, the next subunit is selecting procedure of appropriate function. This is most important fact. The multiple function, that is more than one function, have same name and say different definitions and different task, and how it is selected, it is most important task. A function overloading select appropriate function, that is C++ compiler select appropriate function by checking number of argument given in function call, as well as it matches the data type of each argument. Then appropriate function is selected. After discussing selecting procedure, the next unit, this next subunit is ambiguity in function overloading. Ambiguity or confusion state whenever occur in function overloading. In selection of appropriate function, ambiguity or confusion state is occurred in function overloading whenever a C++ compiler finds the number of argument in function call are same, or the number the data type of arguments are same in function call, that is more than two function call having the same number of argument or same number of type, then ambiguity is occurred. How it is? See practically. I create a C++ program for this concept. Here I create a one program. In this program there are three functions, add, having the same name, note here, and one function, add function, have contain three number of argument, such as this function have contain three argument, int a, that is integer variable, float b, that is floating variable, and float c, that is floating variable. And second, as a function add, having two arguments with double and long double. And third function having same name but one argument, int a. And I discuss selection procedure. It select appropriate function by given matching argument. Here in function call add, two arguments are given, here three arguments is given, and here one argument is given. Appropriate number of argument the appropriate function definition is selected. Here, 2 argument prototype function definition is selected. Here, 3 argument, first one 3 argument function definition is selected. Here, 2 argument function prototype is selected, and here 1 argument prototype function is selected. I execute this program. Simply, there is no error, and I run this program. Here we outputted as like this. Then we discuss how ambiguity is occurred. Here some changes I changed in programming, in previous programming. Here I mentioned 3 subfunctions: add, one function, that is in that 3 functions, subfunction, the 2 subfunctions have same argument number and same type, and whenever C++ compiler have comes here and it have find same number of argument and same number of type, then ambiguity is occurred. Then how it is, see practically. I compile this. Here you seen that ambiguity function, ambiguity error. Why it is comes? Because here add 1, 2.1 and add 2, 2.4 have same number of argument, that is 2, and same number of type, so that ambiguity is occurred. Then after discussion we come to next point, example of function overloading. Here we state that function overloading example. Then thank you for watching this video. If you like, subscribe it and click on like button. Thank you. Good day.